Good morning, I'm Ginger MK. Today I'm going to continue my break from politics and focusing on, emergency type prep stuff. Yesterday on the YouTube channel only, I'll link it below, I did a long form video, wide camera instead of portrait camera, where if you're like a beginner and you're feeling overwhelmed, you can take a look at that. There's helpful links to like checklists from the Army Reserv, the American Redcross, ready.gov, or FEMA. That hasn't been scrubbed yet. And it'll show you how to get started and build a bag for, actual emergencies, so you can evacuate, what you need to think about and prepare for. Should a hurricane, be something you're dealing with, or wildfires are a thing in your area, and they tell you to have a bag ready. Today we're doing more of a self-reliance kind of video and building your own little kits for roughing it. Let's see. Alright, so this is my fire starter kit. I build these little pouches and I put, small tins in them with stuff that will help you build a fire. Sometimes I manage to sell them on like Facebook Marketplace to scout troops. The reason it's only a fire starting kit is because the more stuff you put into your tin, the more things it's meant to do, the less effective it becomes. And that's not cool. It's like having a multi-tool that has too many things on it and it does none of them well. Now, I've made the tin a lot bigger here, so maybe we can fit more stuff, and so I went with fire and water, because remember, fire, water, food, shelter, and first aid is your five big survival things. So the first thing, and this is really for roughing it, really roughing it, you got a water pack and aqua tabs. Fill this full with water, about 30 ounces, and then put 2 aqua tabs in. You got 10 tabs here. So that's 5 quarts of water, roughly. It's not quite a quart, but you get what I'm saying. Alright, bank line. You need this. You can build tripods and handy things to make a stand over your fire. I got a striker, and I got a ferro rod. They're separable, and you can wear this around your neck. Let's see, you can fit a small lighter in there too if you want. I got a commando saw. It's one of the cheaper ones. It's not going to last, but since you don't have much in this kit, it's something that fits. It will help you get through making a couple of fires. Processing wood if for some reason you don't have any other tools except what's in the kit. Brass wire, usually for snares, but you can also use this to make a handle to suspend something over your fire. Let's see, we got a couple of Coghlan fire tinders. We got 1 cotton ball with some paraffin wax. That'll help you start a fire. We got a small button pocket flashlight to help you out in the dark dealing with shit and seeing what's in your tin. We got a small .55 knife. It's not my favorite kind of knife, but it is sharp and it will help you process and build a fire. We have a bit of lantern wick, also soaked with paraffin wax, and you can use this like a candle to help set your fire or transfer fire from one place to another. Got a Fresnel lens, also to help you build a fire during the day when you've got sun. It's essentially a flat magnifying lens. And finally, we have folded up heavy duty aluminum foil, and that will allow you to make a cup. Combine that with some wire, you have a handle, and you can suspend this over a fire and boil water. So you don't have to use aqua tabs only to make your water safe. You can do the boiling thing as well. So there you go. In order to make this an effective kit that does more than one thing, and even then it's only temporarily effective, I had to increase the size from this, and now it's no longer going to fit in my little belt pouch. It needs to go into a large pocket. And that's why I don't really do the Altoids Tin Survival Kit. I'll do a tin, and I'll make it do one or two things only. And that way I stay organized, and I keep the kit effective so it can do several things well instead of doing everything poorly. Like, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comments, and have a great day.